Hi, this is George coming to you from Nautilus Mission Control at the University of Rhode Island's Inner Space Center. And we've got Corps of Exploration member Ellie Bors with us today. Ellie is aboard Nautilus, which is in the Mediterranean Sea on her way to the Anaximander mountain range as part of the second leg of the 2012 expedition. Ellie, tell us, what's your role on the ship? What do you do on Nautilus?
I'm out here representing my lab from the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution. I'm a graduate student there, so I'm here as one of the scientists. On watch, I sit as watch leader, so often you'll hear my voice coming on over during the watches. And I'm here also to collect samples and get some data.
Ellie, what are you studying?
So out here on this cruise, we're looking at the biological communities on the seafloor found at both mud volcanoes and non-mud volcano habitats around the Anaximander seamounts. We're hoping to both characterize the communities, figure out what lives here, and also get some samples so that we can identify them better back in the lab and learn a bit more about their biology.
And what kind of things are we finding down at those depths?
Well, this cruise has actually been fantastic for sampling. We've found there's sort of two different places that we've looked at. We've looked at chemosynthetic habitats, which are places where you have lots of methane coming out of the seafloor, and we find all kinds of neat critters. We found a lot of tube worms that are really intriguing, beautiful animals, I think. A lot of bivalves, so clams and mussels. We found a lot of shrimp, a lot of other crustaceans, some galatheid crabs. We did one dive that was a non-chemosynthetic habitat dive, and that was quite fun to compare with a site that was really very close by but completely different in terms of the biology.
One final question, what's your favorite part about life at sea?
Living in close quarters on a ship can be extremely challenging. You have to really get along with everyone, and I think that people on board the Nautilus have just been really fantastic. Especially, I'm a newcomer, I've been out for about a week, and everybody is so helpful, very enthusiastic group of people. I love that there are so many women on board. Let's throw that one out there. It's a really, really great group, and so that's my favorite part, at least, of this cruise.
Well, Ellie, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today.
All right, thank you.
And for those of you at home, be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and of course you can always join the expedition live right here at nautiluslive.org.